Should be.
Yeah, man. Oh, man.
What I have to cover car and house and everything underwater.
Car. Alright. La Vesta cover right back of the bus. In front of the bus.
La Festa, in front of the bus there.
You see the bus there. And 2 more on this side. Or 3 more cover.
3 more car cover here so too.
Yeah, man.
Bomba, you say. The house there over there so.
Yeah, man.
I know a house top, a house cover.
House down there.
Some cry, some smile, some fight. We rise to the top, 'cause we know what it takes. Through it all, we survive. Some cry, some smile, some fight every day. We rise to
What's a why Jamaica?
'cause we know what it takes. Through it all, we survive. Some cry, some smile, some fight every day. We rise to the top, 'cause we know what it takes. Through it all, we survive. Some fight every day. We rise to the top, 'cause we know what it takes. Through it all, we survive. Some cry, some smile, some fight every day. We rise to the top, 'cause we know what it takes. Through it all, we survive.
That Jamaica just experienced the most catastrophic hurricane in our history. A Cat 5 monster named Melissa, whose apocalyptic devastation in places like Black River, St. Elizabeth, words can't even describe it. And yes, we have experienced hurricanes before, we've experienced storms, faced them head on, and as Jamaicans, we do come out on the other side because of our resilience and our courage. It's just who we are, and we help to rebuild compassionately together. So yes, we will hold on, we will breathe. We've lost our roofs, we've lost some spirit, we've lost some things. But what we haven't lost is how we face adversity together. Because we're never bludgeoned by adversity, we actually rise to meet it. And as a result, we know that the same sky that brought this storm will bring the sunlight. And that together, whether through screens, whether through parishes, whether through the world, as Jamaicans, we are going to champion our spirit, our neighborly love, and we're going to get through this together. We also know that many of you want to help from across the world. Many of you have been DMing me, asking if we're okay, praying for us. And I just want to say the government has set up a website for donations and also for getting more information. I urge you to use that website. Don't let anybody call you. Don't let anybody say, well, you can give it to us. I've put it in the caption, and I want to just thank you for your prayers, for your love. You know, Jamaica is a beacon in the world, and we continue to be that beacon. We punch way above our weight class, and I know you're thinking of us. And, you know, it's moments like these where we recognize how loved we are, and we just want to tell you we love you too. And to each and every Jamaican, both in Jamaica and around the world, don't worry yourself. We're gonna get through this.
This storm is the most disastrous storm ever to hit Jamaica. This storm on landfall upon landfall, it came like an apocalypse. Viewers and subscribers, some videos when I see with some places, I'm like, damn, this is the worst storm ever to hit Jamaica. And prayers goes out to the people them of Black River, St. Elizabeth, St. James, Westmoreland, Trelawney. Prayers goes out to all of them, because viewers and subscribers, Jamaica needs more than help. Jamaica needs also therapy. The people them who has been impacted by this storm, they need a lot of support. A lot of support, because going into this storm, viewers and subscribers, a lot of people went into this storm with anxiety, depressing feeling, depressed feeling some start away, because before this storm came, it was moving so slow and so slow and so sturdily, in a sense where it impact upon landfall in a whole different type of way, to the way how the high touch Jamaica upon the western side of Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, it is crazy. It is really crazy. But viewers and subscribers, I will be reading some highlighted moments, some clippings I will be showing you guys, and I will be reading some of the reports of what took place in certain areas of Jamaica. So welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nando, viewers and subscribers. It's your boss Nando in our building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So in today the storm passes Jamaica. Today is Wednesday, October 29. Wednesday, October 29, viewers and subscribers. And the aftermath is what we will be looking on right now in Jamaica. And as you can see upon the screen, a lot of videos with places in St. Elizabeth, damage places in St. James, damage a lot of places in those areas, those impacted areas, Westmoreland, St. James, St. Elizabeth, Black River, all of those places, Santa Cruz, a lot of places damaged by Hurricane Melissa. She did more damage than Hurricane Gilbert. And yeah, we are in the modern time, or you would say maybe the modern time houses them can withstand some of these impact from the hurricane, but it couldn't with wind going at 165 miles per hour upon impact, upon landfall, viewers and subscribers. Nah, most of these houses couldn't withstand those impact of the winds, and some houses blew away. So viewers and subscribers, let me read. Melissa made landfall in southwestern Jamaica as an extremely powerful hurricane. Early reports says the storm caused catastrophic winds, left threatening storm surge and widespread flooding. As you guys see, a lot of places flooded out so far up to the roof of some houses, because some of the houses in this area of Jamaica, them on the flat area, the lower area, while the road is on top most time on most these houses. Some of these houses not built like sky high up in the air upon road level, they build like underneath, like a lower slight underground type of setting. So which is why most of these houses left flooded out. So it leaves hundreds and thousands without power and forcing thousands into emergency shelter. Critical infrastructure, including several major hospitals, reported damage and power loss as responders work under dangerous conditions. Viewers and subscribers, I saw a recent video with an hospital, I think it was Cornwall Hospital in Montego Bay, and viewers and subscribers, it was so horrendous. Me I watch the video and me see an elderly man lie down on a bed, and right across the elderly man that is lie down on the bed, helpless, the whole of the roof, the whole of the roof tear off, and the water just are coming, and the elderly man lie down there, him can't do nothing for himself, and it was so heart-wrenched to see the whole thing. And I'm like, Jano, It look away. We see this a go on. It just the hurricane deal with Jamaica away, viewers and subscribers. So St. Elizabeth on the southwest coast was among the worst hit parishes. Black River, the parish main town and river system area saw severe flooding, rising river water trapped family in their homes. A lot of family were trapped, where I saw even the house that I was speaking about, that the water came up to roof level. We saw where the fire brigade department was doing their best in rescuing these family of these houses. And me I said, no, the government want these people, but you know, some of these houses you may think it built on a sturdy level, the infrastructure built a certain way, or it can withstand the wind, but it can't withstand the surge, the water, the storm surge that took place, because the water rise to levels like to 15 feet as was stated, viewers and subscribers. And yeah, family left trapped in their house. Streets were submerged and rescue team were initially unable to reach some communities because of dangerous conditions. Resident describes roofs ripped off and roads made impassable by flood water and falling debris. Like, a lot of people were so trapped, nobody couldn't rescue them, the rescue team couldn't reach them. Some people didn't want to go to shelter because of, people house would be robbed from stuff, like from expensive stuff. So many people never wanted to leave their house, because I even saw a video with a whole bar got robbed. Every stock from that bar, every liquor was robbed from that bar. They also robbed an microwave. They robbed a microwave and also TV, viewers and subscribers. So know say it is terrible. The looters them came out when the people them leave them property, and which is why many people never wanted to leave their property. So St. James is a major agricultural area for Jamaica. So flooding and wind damage threaten crops and livelihood. Early warning from officials emphasize both immediate rescue needs and the longer term risk to food supply and the local economy. Montego Bay and the North Coast also experience powerful winds, heavy rain and coastal surge. Video and weather footage showed waves and gushed slamming the shoreline and street flooding in urban district. Tourist infrastructure and park areas were reported to have been battered. Places like Sangster's Airport has been battered also. I saw a video with Sangster Airport. You guys see it in this vlog. You guys will see it in this vlog. I saw a video with Sangster Airport and I'm like, wow. Sangster Airport has been battered wickedly, viewers and subscribers. The roof take off, majority of the roof take off at the airport, and you could see it for yourself. The water came in like a river, viewers and subscribers. So many places have been battered, which will affect travel, local businesses and tourism recovery in weeks ahead. Across Jamaica, widespread power outages. Reports indicates hundreds of thousands without electricity. Hospitals in multiple parishes sustained damage, and at least some facilities had to evacuate or shelter patients. Roads blocked by fallen trees, landslides in hilly interior areas, and buildings with torn roofs, all of which slew rescue and aid delivery. So they need all of those. Authorities also warned about displaced wildlife such as crocodiles from the Black River area. You know those areas are frequent with crocodiles because those places are their habitat, so they are frequent around those areas. Being pushed into residential zones by rising waters. Viewers and subscribers, Jamaica need the help. People from across the world, UK, England, United States, Canada, all these places. Most of, even the artists them who have it, please, Jamaica need the help. Jamaica really need the help in this time of need, because viewers and subscribers, the long walk of recovery, viewers and subscribers, it is going to be a long time. It is not going to be an overnight thing. So this long walk of rescue and long walk of help, viewers and subscribers, yeah, Jamaica need it. We need it. And if myself can give out an helping hand, because before I finish, after I finish this vlog, I will see if I can donate as little as I have to this website that we see the Jamaican put out, this link that they put out for people to help donate whatever they have towards these people, houses and infrastructure. So viewers and subscribers, yeah, the impact is crazy. Thousands of people were moved into shelters. Officials confirmed family trapped in their homes in pockets of Black River, while rescue crews attempted to reach them when conditions allowed. Government leaders have declared disaster response measures, and international aid agencies are pre-positioning supplies. So aids overseas, international aids overseas, they are in place. They're positioned themselves when the storm, just now the storm passed. So they're positioning themselves to, give some aid to the Jamaican people and the government. So yeah, that was a piece of the report that I read. And also, it is said that search and rescue first, restoring power and communities, removing roads, obstructions to get aid into communities, and supporting farmers whose crops were damaged. Long-term recovery will include rebuilding damaged clinics and hospital, fixing infrastructure, and getting livelihood and tourism moving again. And that will take time and outside support, viewers and subscribers. So yeah, viewers and subscribers, this Hurricane Melissa, category 5, one of history's most horrific hurricane ever to hit an island like Jamaica. While you have big countries like the United States where Hurricane Katrina hit places like North Carolina, but an island like Jamaica who withstand a category 5 hurricane, yeah, it is going into history. It goes down into history as the worst ever hurricane to ever hit Jamaica. One of the most catastrophic hurricane to ever hit Jamaica, people. And the greatest thing is that we didn't lose a lot of lives, but hey, we are on the lookout, because maybe more lives have been lost, but we don't know yet. We are waiting to hear the new updates on lives that are lost, because some family member might miss some family member and they don't know. So we are listening out for the new updates for what to come, because yeah, viewers and subscribers, the aftermath is something crazy. The aftermath of this whole storm, viewers and subscribers. Now, I see some video, and the videos them I see, viewers and subscribers, Mood want it. Mood want it for nobody. Not even my worst enemy. Mood want go through a storm like this. And I've been through one storm before, Hurricane Ivan. But Hurricane Ivan wasn't like this storm. Some houses lose some roofs, some trees drop and so forth. But this time, Hurricane Melissa, she took it all. And places like Black River, St. Elizabeth and St. James, she took it all from them. Them have a long way to go. They have a long way to go on recovery, viewers and subscribers. But that is it, viewers and subscribers. That is my report given to you guys on this vlog. On the know it go. Our vibes and insight with Nando with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So I will let you guys watch some of the clippings in this vlog, and I hope y'all enjoyed my report on this whole Hurricane Melissa Cat 5. She deal with us wicked. She do us wicked with that short movement in Jamaica. She did us bad. And prayers goes out to my people of Jamaica, especially the ones in the western era. We saw where people in Kingston are party and a dance in the rain, but them don't know the pain the people of the West are feel right now. Them are feel the pain. Even though all of Jamaica get the rain and the weather and the winds, the people them of the West side, them feel it the most. Who feels it most know it. So while the people them of Kingston are dance and a jolly and a enjoy in the rain and the weather and a swim and a do all sort of thing, yeah, the West feel it. The West feel it, and they need y'all help. Not just to come party and enjoy. They need y'all help. Viewers and subscribers, a vibes and insight with Nando with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. You know it go. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.